Hey, we're going to take a look at the MightyMoe children's tableware set. So let's see. Food safe, reusable, made in the USA. Microwave safe, actual size. Oh, that's cool. That's actual size. Dishwasher safe, shatter resistant, BPA-free, recyclable plastic. So I got this around $10. I think you find it under 20. So yeah, let's take a look at the box. Here it is, 28 pieces, childrenware table set. Same thing. Look, made in Missouri. Let's see. Hopped on a truck, placed in this store, arrived at your dinnerware table. Recycled to start a new journey. I don't get that. That's mean. After you use it, or okay, whatever. Let's recycle. Here's the side. Here's the back. Help MightyMoe find his bone. You. Okay, you got it. Color me. Why would you color a cardboard box? That's sort of weird, but that's cute. Look at that. 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 Peace. And then 4-color set. 4 color sets. 4 sets. Light green, yellow, light pink, purple. Children's tableware set. And there it tells you what it comes with. Let's see. 4 bowls, 2 reusable straw lids, 4 plates, 2 sippy lids, divided trays, 4 divided trays, 4 spoons, 4 cups, 8 or 10 fluid ounces, and 4 forks. On the bottom, nothing much. Nothing at all. Made in, doesn't even say it. It's Kansas. Distributed by Kansas. But it is made in America. But the question is, where is it made in America and why does it have a sticker on it? What do you think is on the sticker? Let's figure out what's on the sticker. Come on, what's under the sticker? Oh, what's another one? It says, can't even see it. Proudin, import, I don't know. Imported parts. Okay, cool. Take a look at it. So yeah, there it is. Sideways. Here's the lid. Sippy cup lid. Straw one lid. Another straw one lid. Straw. Looks like it's really dusty. So those need to be cleaned. Pink. And I don't know what these are for. You know what this is for? This is really different. I think it's for a straw. Looks like it fits a straw. Does it like stop it from moving or something? So the kid can't pull it or something? I'm not sure. Yeah. Here's the bowl. It's the back of the bowl, you can see it. It's nice. The texture, the grip, looks like there's like, you could hold it with one hand. Finger, I mean. 2 fingers. With the bowls. Does it say how many ounces? 12. 12 fluid ounces. Okay, so let's see. Some fork and spoons. Made in the USA. Here's a cup. Some more spoons and cups. Forks. 2 more other cups. How's that? My bad. There it is. plates, 7 inches. Sort of bends. Bowls don't really bend. Feels like a different plastic, where it's just higher. This one bends 2. This one bends 2. This one bends 2. That one's bends. And then divided plates. So yeah, there it is. Like and subscribe. Do you have any questions on this? Divided tray, 7 inches. Let's see, a plate on it. The plate does go on it. A bowl. In there? Nope. Bowl plate. Yep. So yeah, there it is. It's pretty good for $20. Heck, I would get out of it. Does it really matter who eats out of it? I just need stuff done. Alright, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.